Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I'm going to take one of the comments that had actually come off of one of the other videos that I'd done through here and elaborate on it a bit in the current environment. So with the put call over 1 as of the close on Friday, does that imply that on Monday would be a perfect time to go long by buying calls or perhaps scaling into calls with an expiration a month out? And it's something that is nuanced, right? I'm not going to be able to give you a blanket answer, and I'm not going to be able to say that this is the holy grail of technical analysis and will always play out. But it is something that is worth studying, and within that way of prefacing the analysis, I'm going to show you, right? The close that you are referencing right here was that big close on Friday. Again, this was the 22nd. And then moving into Monday, what type of action do you see? When you look at the spiders, and we're going to do this off of a daily chart, you can see the surge that it ended on, right? So you did trade lower, but when you have those extreme readings, again, I'm generally using above 1.0, but if it becomes further exaggerated, well, then the reading is just that much more extreme. But when everybody got short for that, it still had to have a day of gouging, a day where everyone that had bad location, it stopped a lot of those people out, but then the very next day went back into the overall bearish trend, the very heavy market that we are in. And inside that selling, look how the put call ratio did not make a new high, right? The fear was contained within that first move. That is not usually what you're going to see for equities to make a lasting low. What I am looking for, and especially, doesn't have to play out this way, but if it did, I believe would be actionable. And that's to say, see some type of fear-based move in the markets that drives the put call above the levels that we saw during the Ukrainian invasion. Once you get that type of move, then we're going to be in a spot where I think you have a little bit easier time of going swing from a longer term perspective. So to answer the question is just to say, you can see how it was meaningful for a one-day move. The market is so heavy that it immediately came back over. So, I'm not really trying to have calls with a long duration. It's really a one-day trade, a move into the next session, and then you reevaluate. Since recent sessions have seen that volatility compressed, I think we could get another move lower in stocks, and then you just rinse and repeat. So I hope that helps answer your question, offer some insight on how I like to use this indicator. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and we'll see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.